Artisan Kitchens and Bath is changing the way you buy a new kitchen. Take one for a test drive. The Artisan Kitchens and Bath showroom has an array of working displays with the newest appliances, latest cabinetry, innovative add-ons, and practical designs for cooking, entertaining, and family gatherings. Before you buy your new kitchen from a magazine or online, visit Artisan Kitchens and Baths to test drive your dream. Artisan Kitchens and Baths, 200 Amherst Street, with Buffalo's most interactive showroom.